How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, I am also fine, children. Now, children, let's start our class. Today, children, we are going to learn preposition, use of preposition in, on, under. Okay, children, today we are going to learn preposition in, on, under. How we use this word in, on, under. How these words are used. कैसे होता है, हम on कहाँ यूज करते हैं, on कहाँ यूज करते हैं, under. Okay, now see children carefully. See children, this is a box and this ball is in the box. Okay, box के अंदर है ना. अगर any object is, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर किसी चीज के अंदर होता है, then we have to use in. हम लोग किस वर्ड का यूज करते हैं? प्रीपोजिशन I and in. See carefully. This box is the ball is in the box. Ball is in the box. Ball box के अंदर है. The ball is in the box. Now, this ball is on the box. Yes, on the box. Ball कहाँ है? Ball is on the box. Box के ऊपर है. If any object is on, अगर ऊपर होगा, then we have to use on. We have to use on. Then children, see, this ball is under the box. This ball is under the box. ये box के children नीचे है. This ball is under the box. Okay, box के नीचे है. One more example. See, another ball is in the box. Ball is in the box. Box के नीचे है ना. Same way children, this ball is on the box. Ball is on the box. On the box. यहाँ in है ना. In the box. Here ball is on the box. And then this ball is under the box. Under the box. Okay. Here see, under the box. See more example children. Apple, seeds. लोग जो एप्पल खाते हैं, see this apple, seeds कहाँ होते हैं? एप्पल के अंदर. Seeds are in the apple. Okay, seeds are in the apple. जो भी seeds होते हैं वो एप्पल के अंदर होते हैं. What we have to say, क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Seeds are in the apple. Seeds are in the apple. Okay, in the apple. In apple के अंदर है ना seeds, then we have to use in preposition. Okay, now listen children, I have more example for you. See here, this ball is under the table. अंडर क्यों है? क्योंकि बॉल टेबल के नीचे है. अगर any object is under the thing, अगर कोई भी चीज नीचे होगा, then we have to use the preposition under. देखिए इसको, टेबल है ना, टेबल के बॉल नीचे है, अंडर है, then we have to use preposition under. We have to use preposition, कौन सा वर्ड यूज करेंगे? Under. U-N-D-E-R. अंडर की स्पेलिंग U-N-D-E-R. अंडर. I have more example children. Listen, see children carefully. Cats. Two cats are sitting on the mat. ये मैट के ऊपर two cats are sitting on the mat ना. बिल्ली कहाँ बैठे हैं? Cats कहाँ बैठे हैं? मैट के ऊपर की मैट के नीचे? मैट के ऊपर. Cats कहाँ बैठेंगे? मैट के ऊपर. Then we have to use the preposition on, on. हम लोग कौन सा वर्ड यूज करेंगे? on, on. Cats are sitting on the mat. Cats are sitting on the mat. Okay. Cats are sitting O-N on the mat. Two cats are here now, so we are using cats. Okay, cats are sitting on the mat. Okay, children. Okay, see here. Dog is sitting under the tree. This dog is sitting under the tree. Yes. It is sitting. U-N-D-E-R. This dog is sitting under the tree. Yes. Same picture here. See carefully. Some changes are. The same tree is here and bird is sitting where? It's sitting under or where? See the picture. This bird is sitting on the tree because this bird is पेड़ के ऊपर. Then अगर कोई चीज ऊपर होगा तो then what word we have to use? On, on. This bird is sitting on the tree. पेड़ के ऊपर चिड़िया बैठी है ना. Then we have to use on. On. Bird is sitting on the tree. Bird is sitting on the tree. Okay. Apple. Apple is, this is a basket and apple is in the basket. जो भी बास्केट होती है, एप्पल कहाँ होंगे? बास्केट के ऊपर या अंदर? अंदर. This apple is in the basket. Apple is in the basket. बास्केट के अंदर है एप्पल. Then what word we have to use? in. In. Then see children. This apple. Okay. This apple is, if we put this apple in the cupboard, this cupboard के ऊपर है, अगर this apple is kept put on, इसके ऊपर है, then we have to use on. This apple is on the cupboard. This apple is on the cupboard. ये ऊपर है ना? Then same thing. Banana. Okay, this is a banana. This banana is kept. This banana is kept put on the chair. Chair के ऊपर है ना? Then we have to use this banana is on the chair. Same cheese children. If we put this banana under नीचे, chair के नीचे रख देंगे, then which word we have to use? Under, because the banana is kept put on the under the chair. नीचे, अगर कोई object नीचे है तो क्या word use करेंगे हम? Under. ये नीचे है ना? Then we have to use under the chair. Same thing children. If I take this book and just put here, then which word we have to use? Book is on the cupboard. Book is on the cupboard. ये ऊपर है ना? On. Okay. This is a pen. If I put this pen like this, which word I have to use? अगर हम इस पेन को इसके अंदर रख देंगे, then what we have to say? क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Pen is in the box. Pen is in the box. अंदर रखिए ना? Then we have to use in. Is on the book. Duster is on the book.
3.
Children, some worksheet here. ये वाला हम लोग करेंगे. Okay? See the picture carefully. This is a book. Book is टेबल के ऊपर है. Book is on the table. ना, book is कहाँ है? टेबल के ऊपर, टेबल के नीचे या अंदर? कहाँ है? ऊपर. Then we have to use on. The book is blank the table. तो हम लोग को वो word को लिखना है. अगर ऊपर होगा तो on. If the thing is above, ऊपर है, then we have to use the word on. अगर अंदर है, कोई चीज किसी चीज के अंदर है, जैसे पेन ये अंदर है, then we have to use in. अगर any object नीचे, if anything is कोई भी चीज नीचे, then we have to use the word under. Okay? The book is blank the table. What we have to see the picture and guess? On. ऊपर है, then we have to use the word on the table. Now see, this is a bus. Children आर ब्लैंक द बस। चिल्ड्रन कहाँ है? बस के ऊपर, नीचे, अंदर। कहाँ? बस के अंदर होंगे बच्चे। चिल्ड्रन आर इन द बस। बच्चे बस के अंदर हैं। चिल्ड्रन आर इन द बस। ओके, नाउ eggs are blank the nest। अंडे कहाँ होते हैं? eggs कहाँ होंगे? घोंसले के, नेस्ट के अंदर, ऊपर। कहाँ? अंदर। then eggs are in the nest। eggs are in the nest। in the nest। girl is standing। okay, girl is standing blank the fan। गर्ल कहाँ खड़ी है? पंखे के, फैन के नीचे। गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग अंडर द फैन। नीचे है ना, देन वी हैव टू यूज द वर्ड अंडर। गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग अंडर द फैन। ओके, देन सी दिस पिक्चर। दिस इज अ चेयर एंड cup is blank the chair। where is the cup? the place of cup is where? cup is put under the chair ना। cup कहाँ है? chair के नीचे। then we have to use the word under। under under। okay children, so children हम लोग को we have to learn 3 things। if anything is ऊपर, above ऊपर है, then we have to use o and on। if anything is inside अंदर है कोई चीज, okay, then we have to use the word I and in। if any object is beside नीचे है, कोई भी चीज के नीचे है, then we have to use the word under। okay, आपको पिक्चर को देखना है and you have to fill the preposition in, on, under। तीनों में से आपको वर्ड को चूज करना है। okay children, I hope children you all understood and do more practice। okay children, thank you।